Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at ArklateXHomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces with your Friday morning forecast update, setting up to be a wonderful 4th of July weekend, but we will be dealing with some rain and thunderstorms today, courtesy of the cold front, which is dropping through. That will cool our temperatures today, and this is what's going to set us up with a pretty wonderful weekend here, but we are dealing with some rain and thunderstorms starting out the day. Again, these are the storms that formed ahead of the front last night. These should continue to move through Texas and Louisiana this morning, and there looks like there's going to be another line of storms that develops at some point this morning, maybe right along the Red River, close to the I-30 corridor. So if you had some rain move through late yesterday and you're starting out dry this morning, I think there's a good chance you'll see some rain return today. So just kind of pack the umbrella with you as you head outside today. Looking at the temperatures, it's a pretty warm morning. We're in the 70s, so we're not feeling that cool down yet, but it should be more manageable as far as the heat today, as it will be a warm day, not a hot day, with highs in the mid to upper 80s. Won't be a lot of sun out there either, which should help out with the heat as well. And you can see FUTURECAST lining up pretty well with where the rain is this morning. So we're taking a look at things right around noon today, and you can see this next line of thunderstorms gets going. So I think there's a pretty high chance you'll still see some rain in and around your neighborhood at some point this afternoon. So we won't completely dry out until tonight. So it looks like that drop in humidity coming for us overnight. We'll actually have lows in the 60s tonight. If you can get up tomorrow morning and kind of get the yard work done, you'll be very happy that you did that. It's going to be a comfortable weekend with nice mornings here, but warm, and it's looking like sunny afternoons. We've actually taken rain out of the weekend forecast here, as it looks like that front will be far enough south of us that it won't impact us through the weekend. There's a look at the 4th of July. If you have any outdoor grilling plans during the day, should be wonderful for that, and comfortable evening temperatures as well. I think most of us right around sunset will still be maybe in the low to mid 80s once those fireworks start popping on Sunday night, but we should enjoy that low humidity through the weekend as well, which is setting us up for that comfortable weekend. Look at the rainfall totals. Again, this will be mainly the rain that falls today. We are looking at maybe some isolated spots picking up an inch of rain, so it won't be enough rain to cause any problems out there. And speaking of rain, watching Tropical Storm Elsa, which continues to move through the Atlantic, headed up towards the Caribbean here in the upcoming days. Really little change to what we showed you yesterday. It is expected to turn to the north here as it moves over Cuba and then just kind of slide up the at least the Gulf side of Florida here. Again, probably no impacts to us the way things are setting up right now, but some tropical storm force winds forecast for the state of Florida here. So if you do have some travel plans to Florida next week, obviously something you will need to be watching next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Obviously there could be some changes to the track here, so we'll keep bringing you updates on this through the weekend and next week as well. Speaking of next week, we get through the nice weekend here with highs in the upper 80s and low 90s. We do have those scattered showers, mainly afternoon and evening showers each day, Monday through Thursday. It looks like some spots could pick up another inch or two of rain next week, but right now the rain doesn't look to be too heavy, and the rain will be out there enough to keep our highs in the upper 80s and low 90s next week as well.